In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Instagram handle link. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to grab a direct link to your Instagram profile and share it anywhere you like, using nothing more than a web browser. First, head to the Instagram website. Open your preferred browser, type instagram.com into the address bar, and press enter. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your feed. If you see a sign-in page, log in the way you normally do so you can access your account. This method works on desktop browsers and on mobile browsers, so use whatever's most convenient for you. Next, open your profile. On desktop, look to the top right corner for your profile picture. Click it, then choose Profile to load your personal page. On a phone or tablet browser, tap your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom to reach the same place. You'll know you're on your profile when you see your post grid, your bio, and your follower and following counts. Now copy the link from the address bar. At the top of the browser, you'll see a URL that looks like Instagram.com followed by a slash and your username. That full address is your handle link. Highlight the entire URL. On a computer, you can click once in the address bar to select it all, then copy with Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. On a phone or tablet, tap the address bar, select the full link if it isn't already selected, and choose Copy. That's it. You've captured your profile link. Finally, send it anywhere you want. Paste the link into a text message, an email, a group chat, a document, or a post on another platform. On a computer, use Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. On mobile, tap and hold in the typing area and select Paste. When someone clicks that link, they'll be taken straight to your profile. If your account is private, they'll still see your profile page, but will need to request to follow you before they can view your posts, which helps you keep control over who sees your content. A couple of quick tips as you share. Double-check that the link includes your current username. If you ever change your username, the old link won't work, so be sure to copy a fresh one. If the URL has extra characters after your username, you can delete everything after the final slash to keep the link clean. You can also store this link in your Notes app or email it to yourself for quick access later. And that's all there is to it. Go to Instagram's website, open your profile, copy the address bar, and share it wherever you like.